Halfway through 2024, I made the life-changing decision to quit my job, put everything I owned in storage, and answer the question, is there anything out there that can inspire me to escape the hamster wheel of life? Join me on this adventure to see the world. The next stop in our journey was the small town of Phong Nha, known for its tropical jungle and intricate cave systems.
You smile makes the past worthwhile. Now I feel like I believe in a higher love.
Aside from the near constant rain, we were immediately greeted by a gorgeous mountainous landscape.
What you need is the heat of the summer. Lost your mind, need the light to recover. I swear we're headed on the better days, and the sun will come up again. 'Cause you brought me the sun.
Our first activity was a long drive through the forest heading to Paradise Cave, soaking in the gorgeous sights and rain along the way. The entrance to this cave was covered by a large boulder, which shielded the cave from view until we made entry. We had no idea what we were getting into, and the size of this cave really blew us away. I had never before seen stalagmites of this size, and it's hard to even put it into perspective. Many of these structures towered stories above our heads and make you feel quite small. While we were only able to walk 1 kilometer into this cave, Paradise Cave actually continues for over 30 kilometers. I'll let the cave speak for itself at this point. Upon exiting the cave, I realized how precarious our entry really was, as this boulder looked as if it could drop at any moment. Our other favorite thing to do in Phong Nha outside of the caves was a totally random tourist activity called Duck Stop. Other than hosting a small produce farm, this tourist stop was entirely for our benefit, and while it made little to no sense, it was very silly and a lot of fun. We were able to feed the ducks in various ways, including some that will make you want to shower immediately afterwards. In spite of the rain, Phong Nha was an incredible stop, filled with gorgeous caves, beautiful scenery, and activities that we won't soon forget. See you next time!